Hello and welcome back to our channel. We are back with yet another video. This time we have our a video from a state government university in UP. The it has seats ranging from courses of bachelor's, postgraduate, MPhil, PhD, and your diploma. So without wasting much time, let's get back to the point. The university is Gautam Buddha University. Okay. These are the programs which are available at GBU. This is a state government university. It's in Greater Noida with a very nominal fees. It's a government university. The admission to is via an entrance test, I guess. The further details we'll be looking on to. So this is how you access the website. This was the home page. Now we'll move to programs. These are the range of 6 programs in broad, which is your undergraduate, postgraduate, PhD, your MPhil, diploma, and the lateral entry. Okay. So in UG itself, you have these courses, all the beta courses, architecture, Bachelor of Arts courses, commerce, education, psychology, environmental science. Okay. These are the new added courses, I guess. AI, electric. There are all the courses. So for instance, let's take the example of I'll stop to this thing, psychology. Yes. Let's see what are the details here. It is from the Department of Psychology and Mental Health. The eligibility is 10 plus 2 in any discipline. Selection process is direct admission. You have got a golden opportunity to get the direct admission in a state government university, provided you have your provided you fulfill this condition of 45% marks in your class 12th. Duration of the course is as per NEP. It has it is the semester course. You have 30 number of seats in it. See, the registration fees is one time, which is non-refundable. Security fees is refundable. Academic fees is 35,000. It's not too much, I feel so. For a state government university, I don't feel it's too much. So yeah, this is how it's done. For that, you have to apply. You'll provide your email address, your password, and about the entrance test, which is not for psychology and few other bachelor's courses, but it is important and mandatory. They have this numbers active from 9:30 to 5:30 for any query of yours. But this is really a very golden opportunity. I won't do the thumbnail thing or the clickbait. I am providing the most authentic information, and the one where you can definitely secure a seat, no matter what was your condition in class 12th, how much did you score. But this is your only chance to get into a state government university which has varied range of courses, like I just mentioned. Okay, for example, I'll also show a PhD thing. PhD in, okay, let's talk about this chemistry. The details of for PhD in chemistry is, the eligibility is master's degree in chemistry or applied chemistry with minimum 55% aggregate. This is for general caste, and 50% is for SC, ST, OBC, and equivalent grades. So the selection is through GBU ET, which is your entrance test. Duration is again this year or semester 1. There are 5 seats. What is FT and WP is your full-time and working professional seats. 5 seats, I guess. You require only 1 seat. It's more than enough. So this is the fee structure for the full-time students. Okay. So this somewhere totals down towards something around 20,000, 10,000, somewhere around 30,000. Okay, where how 30,000, 32,000, where 2,000 is refundable at last. Then for professional students, this is the seats may increase or decrease as per availability. So students interested can definitely, without any further ado, can apply to GBU. So here I end my video. I'll provide all the links below in the comment section. You can directly mail me or ask me about anything you have, because I've studied from this university and I am really in awe of it. So I don't feel people should anyways waste their year by dropping or getting into or studying for some entrance exam. You should definitely look out to this option. It's a really good one. And alumni speak. Okay, see you.